Call this unboxing on YouTube. Okay, Fanttik. NEXS1, NEXS Pro 16 bits Fantik. Unleash the potential, challenge limits. Is that upside backwards or upside down or? Holy shit, it is. Weird. Okay. Anyways, the unboxing. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so they're normally like anywhere from 90 to $100. I think it's heavy. Sort of opened up or something. Okay. Oh, metal. Yeah. And the rubber, it pops up when you, okay. C charger on the end. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Off 1, 2, 3. Light. Oh shit! I can't hang on to it. That thing is powerful. Okay, so there's that. I know it does something else. It's really cool. So I think this. Okay, maybe. Go look. Read the constructions. Press the storage. Try saves. Box and pop up. Okay. Did that. What the hell? Then what? I know it's got a whole bunch of bits. Back to look at the constructions. I'll be back. Okay, as I was saying, okay, we got the drill. This thing's heavy. Then look at there. Look at all the bits. Pretty cool, huh? I think I got it for around $20 for shipping on the auction. That's why I find the auctions with nobody in it. And the auctioneers are pissed off. That's a lot of bits. Okay, cool. Then we it charges through the. Interesting. Okay, back in. Lock. Very cool. Locks into place. Yeah, I bet you this thing weighs 4 or 5 pounds.